We have with us Mr. R. Anantharaman, Chief Executive Officer, Bangaluru Science and Technology Cluster. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You are focusing on precision agriculture.
Yeah.
So would you talk about are the solutions that you are providing and what's your future plan?
Absolutely, sir. Thank you very much for the question. It's a national priority because digital precision agriculture helps the farmer in a large way in solving some of the challenges which they are facing. It can be shortage of manpower, it can be increase of yield, it can be resilience, it can be sustainability. In many ways it helps the farmer. We are working on helping the farming community with some innovative products. So I would take some few of the examples to articulate my view on how we are helping the farming community. Some of the products like polyhouse. Now, polyhouse needs an Indian customization based on the Indian weather condition and the crop requirement, and therefore, through our stakeholder, which includes IIS, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore Agriculture Universities, and various other organizations, we have invented one product, one polyhouse, which can be sustainable, which can be adaptive to the Indian conditions. So that's one. We are in the last stages of product development and testing at our marketplace. The other thing which we have invented is one nozzle. So drone application is getting widely recognized by our farmers, but the important factor of the drone is the nozzle, because it helps the spray to be focused on precision. Now, precision spraying is very important because it can avoid losses and it can even avoid damages to the fresh crops. So we have patented one of the drone nozzle which can able to help the farmers to spray at a very precise level. So this is the second product which we are talking about. Third is about pheromone. There are insect infections which is happening, and one of the way to dissuade a insect not to infect the field is using applications like pheromone, which disrupts the phenomena of the insects and to expand, and therefore these pheromone products helps us in decreasing the pest inspections. So this is another one which we are talking about, pheromone. The other last one which I want to recall is on the leaf mimic sensitive meter. So now it imitates and it understands the leaf phenomena, the requirement of water, requirement of nutrition through sensors, and this is yet another very interesting thing which we are under development, which is on leaf mimic sensor. So these are a couple of ways which we are working. How it is happening is also very important. All these innovations happen with a very close understanding and working with the farming community. That's important. So in that way, one of our stakeholders are farmers themselves, whether it can be FPO or it can be progressive farmers. We continue to dialogue with them. We continue to dialogue understand the pain factor for them, and from there we develop the product which then therefore can understand the farmer's pain factor and it can help us. So this is how we are helping on the precision.
So what's the plan for 2026?
Many things are there. So one, as I said, I think some of the area which we are working needs to be, I think for that, I think one of the interesting thing which you need to understand is the way I think the cluster works, the way the PSA mission works is first to enable the stakeholders at a regional level, at a city level. So we are working at a Bangalore level. Currently all our energies are focused on the city, and once we have a very good success model which can come into the city, then our natural next progression is about getting that into a regional level, maybe at a Karnataka level, maybe at a state level. Once that is also successful, then brings the national level, help the country towards certain products. So this is how we want to progress in 2026, making some of the products at a national application level. If that happens, then we are talking about Atma Nirbharta or sustainable India. So that's the mission for us, sir.